Kindly like, share and subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.
Hello everyone, I am Suparna Shri and you are watching EDUNOM MEDIA, India's trusted education channel which keeps you updated with all the details related to education. Today I have come up with a clarification of some of your confusions about NEET 2019 and the major changes that were announced by MHRD Minister Prakash Javadekar in his Delhi conference on July 7, 2018 about NEET 2019. Mr. Prakash Javadekar said that NEET will be conducted twice a year in the month of February and May. The exam will be held in an online mode and the authority that was conducting the exam was changed to CBSE to NTA. The National Testing Agency this year will conduct the NEET examinations. And as per his words, the test will be conducted in different sittings. And for this, the students have to choose a particular sitting. The score of NEET will be calculated in standardization technique. Besides this, no changes were made in the exam pattern and the language or the syllabus of NEET. And at the same time, there is no cap for NEET. That means candidates can apply as many times as they want. Later on, the NTA confirmed on August 21st that the NEET examination of 2019 will be held in a single day on a pen and paper mode. That's all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel EDUNOM Media for more updates related to education. And if you have any doubts or queries related to education, comment down your doubts and queries and we promise you to resolve them as soon as possible. Till then, from the entire team of EDUNOM Media, have a wonderful day.
Kindly like, share and subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.